Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back in our English online class. Today we are going to do some work on book pre-primary English. So please take out this book from your bag and open page number 51. Take out the pencil, hold it in your hand and take out the eraser. On this page here we have a question, fill in the blanks with a or a pair of. When we will talk about the single thing, like it is a single hat, here we have no more hats. Then we will use a. It is a hat. But when we will talk about the more than one things, like here we have two shoes, then we will use a pair of. Okay? Like here we have a blank with dash brown hat. Now how many hats can you see here? A single one hat. Then we will use a in the blank. Second one is dash green shirt. How many shirts does he wear? Yes, he has a single shirt on his body. Then we will use a green shirt. Dash purple glasses. Now how many glasses can you see here? How many parts of this glass? Two parts. 1, 2. So we will use a pair of in the blank. Dash blue shorts. How many sides of shorts? Two sides. 1, 2. We will use a pair of. Dash white socks. How many socks does he wear? 1, 2. So we will write a pair of white socks. Dash brown shoes. How many shoes does he wear? Yes, two shoes. 1, 2. What should you write here? Yes, we should write here a pair of in the blank. Now write CW on the top of the page. Mention the date on the left corner. 12, 10, 20. Now turn off the next page. Again write CW on the top of the page. Mention the date. As you can see here we have a question. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Like here we have a blank. The dash does not have legs. Look carefully at the animals. Which animal does not have leg? Yes, snake does not have any leg. So we will write snake. Tell me the spelling from here. Write them in the blank. The dash is a bird, but it cannot fly. What do you think? Which animal looks like a bird? Giraffe, tiger, lion, ostrich. Yes, this animal looks like a bird. So we will write ostrich in the blank. Tell the spelling from here and write them here in the blank. The dash is a tall animal. Giraffe is a tall animal. Tell the spelling from here and write them in the blank. The dash has strips on its body. Which animal has strips on his body? Yes, tiger. Tell the spelling from here. Write them in the blank. The dash has a mane. Which animal has mane? What is mane? Mane is the fur which you can see around its neck. Okay? So we should write loin from here to the blank. Now next page I am going to give you as HW. So please mention HW on the top of the page. Mention the date here. And you can see here we have some pictures on this page and here we have some blanks. We have to choose the correct word from here and we should write it in the blank. As you can see here is a tiger. A tiger can run or fly. What do you think? Yes, a tiger can run. So we should write run in the first blank but cannot fly. So we should write it in the second blank. As you can see here is a bird. A bird can fly or run. Yes, a bird can fly. We should write it in the first blank but cannot run. So we should write it in the second blank. Here we have a kangaroo. A kangaroo can dash. A kangaroo can jump or walk. Yes, a kangaroo can jump but cannot walk. We should write jump in the first blank, walk in the second blank. Like this, you will pronounce the sentence. Look carefully at the picture and you will do this page. Now turn off the next page. Okay, as you can see on this page here we have a puzzle. This page is also as your HW. So please mention the HW on the top of the page. Mention the date on the left corner. Then first fill this puzzle and then fill these blanks. Like here we have monkey. First you will pronounce the name of this picture. Then you will tell the spelling and key, K-E-Y, key. So you will write the spelling like this in the puzzle. And a dash can swim. As you can see here we have some pictures. What do you think which animal can swim from these pictures? Yes, whale can swim. So you should write whale here. And dash can trumpet loudly. What is trumpet? The sound that elephant makes. Okay. So we should write elephant in this blank. And the next blank is a dash has fur. First check carefully the pictures. What do you think? Which animal has fur? Yes, a bear has fur on its body. So we should write bear on this blank. Like this you will do this page. Now come on the second page. Page number 55. Write CW on the top of the page. On this page here we have position words. What are the position words? Position words are the words which tell us the position of the things. Accurate position of the things. Like Sarah is at the boat or Sarah is in the boat. What do you think? Which word is describing the position of Sarah? Sarah is at the boat. बोट पर है और Sarah is in the boat या बोट में है. Yes, Sarah is in the boat. Which word is describing the position of Sarah? Yes, in. So we should make circle around in because it is position word. In the next picture here we have a man. The man is on the van. On the man is under the van. Which word is describing the position of this man? What do you think? Is he on the van or under the van? Yes, he is under the van. So we should make a circle around under. Okay, because this word is describing the position of this man. Now come on the next picture. Here we have a blank. The book is on the motorcycle or the book is in the motorcycle. Which word is describing the position of this book? Book is in the motorcycle. Book motorcycle में है और book is on the motorcycle या motorcycle पर है. Yes, the book is on the motorcycle. Book motorcycle पर है. So we should make a circle around on because this word is describing the position of this book. Now look carefully at this picture. The lorry is under the bicycle or the lorry is behind the bicycle. What do you think? Is it under the bicycle? No, the lorry is behind the bicycle. Lorry bicycle के पीछे है. So we should make a circle around behind. Okay, because this word is describing the position of this lorry. Now come on the next picture. The bus is between the two cars or the bus is behind the two cars. What do you think? The bus is coming from behind or is it between the two cars? Yes, the bus is between the two cars, not behind the two cars. So we should make a circle around between because this word is describing the position of this bus. In the next picture here we have an ambulance and here is a nurse too. And the sentence is the nurse is in the ambulance. Nurse ambulance में है. The nurse is beside the ambulance और nurse ambulance के पास खड़ी है. We should make a circle around beside because beside is describing the position of this nurse. She is not sitting inside the ambulance. She is standing beside the ambulance. So we should make a circle around beside and turn off the next page now. This page is as your HW. So please mention the HW on the top of the page. Mention the date on the left corner. And here we have some pictures. First you will pronounce the name of this picture like bicycle. Then focus on the sounds by, B-I, by, cy, C-Y, cy, C-L-E, cle, bicycle. Okay. Fill the blanks with missing alphabets. lorry, L-O-R-R-Y, re. Van. First you will pronounce the name of this picture. Van. A is the sound of A. Like this you will do this page. On this page again mention the CW on the top of the page. We have some pictures and we have to make at least 2 sentences about each picture. Some words are already given on this page as you can see here. And if we will talk about the single thing, we will use helping verb is, and if we will talk about the more than one things, we will use helping verb are. So first we will write that as it is here, then we will add the helping verb is. Because it is a single thing, then we will use a, then we will write the name of this thing bicycle as it is from here to here. And here we have also some words, it, not, motorcycle. What should we write here? It as it is we will write here. Then we will add helping verb is. It is. Then we will add not. It, because it is a single thing, a motorcycle. Okay, because it is not motorcycle, so we will write it. Helping verb is, not a motorcycle. Some words are already given here, some we should add in it. These cars. 2 words are given here. Now we will complete this sentence with helping verb. Well, first we should write these as it is here. Then we will add helping verb are. Then we will write cars. So this sentence will be completed. These, not vans. First we will write these as it is here. Then we will write helping verb are. Because these are more than one thing, so we are using are here. Then we will add not as it is here. Vans as it is here. This ship. What would you do now? Yes, first we will write this word as it is here. Then we will add the helping verb, because without helping verb we cannot make a complete sentence. Because it is a single thing, so we will write is here, a ship as it is from here to here. It, not boat. First we will write it as it is here. Then we will add the helping verb is, not boat. It is not a boat. Here we have more than one things. These, which helping verb would you use? Yes, are. These are helicopters. You should tally the spelling from here to here. These, not aeroplanes. How would you correct this sentence? Yes, these as it is here. Then we will add the helping verb are, not aeroplanes. Should tally the same word from here to here. Now turn off the next page. On this page, first mention the CW on the top of the page. On this page, write the correct letter in the boxes. How can we write the correct letter? These are balls. Where can you see the balls on this page? Yes, we can see the balls in the picture B. Okay, so we should write B as it is in the black. This is an umbrella. First try to find out the umbrella. Where can you see the umbrella? Yes, we can see the umbrella in letter F box. So we should write this letter from here to here in the box. These are seashells. Check carefully at the pictures. Where can you see the seashells? Is it seashell or is it seashell? Yes, these are seashells. So we should write this letter from here to here in the box. This is a kite. Where can you see the kite? Check the box. Yes, the kite is in the D box. So we should write this name, this letter in the box. This is a sand castle. Where can you see the sand castle? Yes, the sand castle is in letter A box. So we should write this letter from here to here in the box. These are spades. Where can you see the spades? Yes, in letter C box. So we should write this letter from here to here in the box. Now come on the next page, page number 59. On this page, here we have HW. So mention the HW on the top of the page. Mention the date on the left corner. And here we have a question. What does each picture show? circle the correct word. Like if the girl is reading, so look carefully. First try to pronounce the word read. Right. Is she writing or is she reading? Yes, she is reading. So we should make a circle around the read. Like here we have a boy. What do you think? The boy is kicking the ball or throwing the ball? Yes, the boy is kicking the ball. Kick, throw. So we should make a circle around kick because it is a correct word. Now look at the next picture. Here we have a girl. What do you think? The girl is swimming or walking? Yes, because the girl is swimming. So first you should try to pronounce the words. Walk with the sounds. Swim. Yes, the girl is swimming. So we should make a circle around this word. Like this you will do this all page. Now turn off the next page, page number 6060. Mention the CW on the top of the page. Mention the date on the left corner. On this page, here we have a concept of do or does. First, remember one thing. With he, she or any name, we will use does. Okay, we will use does with he, she or names. With I, we, you and they, we will use do. We will use helping verb do. Now here we have our first blank, which is she dash not like to swim. What do you think? Which helping verb can you add here? What I told you recently, with he, she and it, we should use does. We should use helping verb does. So we should write the helping verb from here to here in the blank. They dash not know how to read. What I told you? Yes. With they, we should use helping verb do. I, we, you, they, we should use helping verb do. So we should write again do from here to here in the blank. With name, here we have a name, Ali. Which helping verb can you use here? Yes, with name we should use does. Ali does not have a swimsuit. The boy, here we have also a pronoun. This word is describing the noun. The boy dash not ride a bicycle. Which helping verb can you use here? Yes, does. Okay. And here we have again they. Which helping verb can you use here? Do or does? I, we, you, they. We should use do. They do not know how to fly. We, I, we should use helping verb do. We should write again do from here to here in the blank. Here we have a name. Which helping verb you should use with the name? Yes, with noun we should use does. Hamza does not live here. Please dash not build a sand castle. Now in this blank we should write helping verb do because we are talking about more than one thing, sand castles. Where we should talk about more than one things, we will use helping verb do. Please do not build sand castles here. Here we have our last blank. He dash not like to run on the beach. Which helping verb can you use here? Do or does? Yes. With he, she and it or names, we should use helping verb does. He does not like to run on the beach. Now please keep your work in practice at home. I will come soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.